Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa raziyallahu ta'ala anha narrated that on the day the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam departed from this world, it was my turn to be with him in my house. Abdurrahman ibn Abu Bakr came and his hand was a fresh miswak. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used the miswak with such vigor that I had never seen before. Then he raised his hand and the miswak fell. Seeing this, I began to recite the supplications that the angel Gabriel used to recite during the Prophet's illness. But at that moment, the Prophet ﷺ turned his gaze towards the sky and said, "With the highest companion," and at that instant, the blessed soul of the Prophet ﷺ departed. In every circumstance, I am thankful to Allah that He allowed the Prophet ﷺ to conclude his life in my company, and his blessed saliva and the miswak were gathered at that moment. Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23127.